Miami. Jaguar celebrates fearless creativity, so where better to launch its reimagining than here at Miami Art Week. Getting attention in today's world is not always easy, and I assume all of you and those following from around the world may have read a thing or two about the new Jaguar brand. And we're delighted to have your attention. Controversy has always surrounded British creativity when it's been at its best. David Bowie, Vivienne Westwood, and architect Richard Rogers were some of my creative heroes. They were British trailblazers who challenged convention and had no desire to copy the norm. In the same way, when Jaguar was at its best, it threw away the car design rulebook and created E-Type and the XJS. These were objects of desire. Sir William Lyons, our founder, many years ago said, a Jaguar should be a copy of nothing. Don't be held back by the past. Be brave, be fearless, copy nothing. Create new objects of desire. These were exactly the words I used to brief my creative team. Type 00 is the first physical manifestation of the new Jaguar brand that's influenced by the desire to recapture the essence of Jaguar's original creative conviction. This is a taste of things to come. And those of you who know me know I don't believe in concepts unless they become a reality. Look at its jaw-dropping proportions. That's what we mean by exuberance. Its long bonnet doesn't conform to electric vehicle design. And why should it? Look at its uncompromising modern surfaces, dramatic intersections, and flawless details. At our very best, we have never conformed. And this uncompromising creative approach runs from these exuberant proportions all the way through to the finest details. Our powerful symbols of change follow this exact principle. Each symbol has meaning. The leaper always leaping forward, never backwards. The monogram, our seal of approval. And our word mark is the future face of Jaguar. Strike through is another symbol, and the name given to the horizontal lines repeated throughout Type 00. It symbolizes Jaguar's desire to strike through convention. The strike through is at its most prominent at the rear, accentuating the vehicle's beautifully sculpted haunches. Inside, the sense of drama continues. Tactile and forward-thinking materials and details come together to create a feeling of occasion. Colour is another key component of our new brand. London Blue, a homage to our British heritage, while also paying tribute to our favourite E-Type. Miami Pink, a colour that is synonymous with this city, its architecture, its art, even its football team, or should I say soccer. Clearly, our creativity doesn't conform, so why should our technology? Our new range of vehicles, unlike many others, will use a completely unique electric platform. Even with these large wheels, there is no range anxiety with an impressive 430 miles. These will be the most powerful Jaguars ever and will be capable of producing 1,000 horsepower. Jaguar has no desire to be loved by everybody. It has already stirred emotions, and it will continue to. Some may love it now, some may love it later, and some may never love it And that's okay, because that's what fearless creativity does. This is the original essence of Jaguar. And for me, it's been an honor to lead the creative reimagining of this great British brand. Thank you.